F.O.S. Filter media and products for dedusting technology. Online cleaning. Service from a single source for a clean environment. With our range of products and services, we can systematically cut your costs while also helping you play your part in climate protection. We produce solely in Germany. This enables us to guarantee high production and service standards, as well as fast and flexible response times, uniting the best in craftsmanship with innovative ideas and concepts. An extensive range of accessories supplements our offer and is individually tailored to your needs. Our cleaning process means that you will benefit in several points. It is much more economical to clean existing filter bags than to fit new ones. Quality is assured because it has been proven that our procedure is efficient without damaging the materials. No removal and reinstallation costs because the filter bags are cleaned while still in place, including installed supporting cage. Gain in production time because cleaning can be carried out during operation. No need for time-consuming, sometimes dangerous and environmentally damaging removal and reinstallation. Savings on disposal expenses. Dramatic reduction in energy costs for the fan and cleaning, thanks to preventative cleaning. These advantages also apply to horizontal filter media, such as Lure. Here are the benefits to you at a glance. This animation will illustrate the effectiveness of our cleaning system. The extent of the savings that can be achieved are shown by the following two examples. All installation work performed for you is carried out quickly, smoothly and professionally. This is ensured by the continuous further training of our personnel. This saves you time and money. Regular maintenance and inspection work on all filter system types according to accident prevention regulations means that you can avoid unwanted stops in production. Working on this basis, we will draw up a maintenance concept for you that will increase your productivity. Quality is never a coincidence. That's why we document our quality in regular monitoring audits. The basis for this is provided by our own laboratory, which will offer you a wide range of advantages. For your safety, our raw materials are subjected to specific checks prior to processing. We will be happy to show you how to reduce costs through optimized use of materials and the options offered by cleaning. Everyone is talking about climate protection and the prudent use of resources. That's why we have developed a technique not only to clean high-temperature materials such as PTFE, PPS and PI in officially approved waste treatment plants, but also to prepare them in such a way that they can be reintroduced to the commercial cycle. This is your opportunity to play your part in climate protection and a way to use economically regenerated filter materials. F.O.S. Filter media and products for dedusting technology. Online cleaning service from a single source for a clean environment. www.fos-filtertechnik.de